Okay, this is Lorena. I'm the learning technologist. You all know me. And I'm recording this video because many of you have experienced problems with my calendar. So this is what this is what you need to do. I'm here in the help center, Centro de Ayuda, the lab, and you need to scroll down, and when you scroll down you'll see this calendar picture. So this is a picture. Okay, what you need to go is click on the picture, and automatically it will ask you to add the calendar. However, if you click add the calendar, it is very sure that you will have another window that says that the calendar cannot be added because you do not have permission. And that happens because you are in a different account right here. Okay, so I want you to go here, click, look for the fun account. Okay, and when you see the fun account, when you click on the fun account, then my calendar, the window, it doesn't appear with me because it's my calendar, but for you, you will have the window that says add calendar, and you can click add it, and then you will be able to see my schedule. I hope this helped, and I hope it is easier for you to schedule an appointment now with me.